All right, here we go. Show you how to fix this surround on a subwoofer. Look, come over here and say it if you want to do it in front of the camera. That girl said like and subscribe for Trey Ray Enterprise. Trey Ray Enterprise is my business, and I like making content. And hashtag Trey Ray does that too. You're gonna hear me say that a lot. It's because I will do anything, damn near anything, for $20. So today's $20 special. We got this 18-inch sound cube that's been rebuilt by Alan Hall. I think that's his name, Alan Hall, A-Star Sounds or something like that. And we got a Ripped surround. So we're gonna show you how to repair that. So you go to Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, I'm sure anywhere. E6000. We're using E6000 on this today. So let's show you what we're working with here. Get it, Wednesday. All right, where is it at? Here it is. Trying to set it up for the camera. Now let's see. Right there. You see the cracks around? Yeah. What's it look like back here? I can't really see on camera. So, I'm gonna take this E6000 right here. Woo, there it is. You can see it like that, boy. We're gonna spread it apart like that. Got the E6000 coming out the tube. Spread them cheeks. And just fill the gap. I guess kind of like welding. I'm not a welder, but I'm a gluer and screwer. Glued and screwed, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just trying to smooth it out and push it in a little bit. After you finish, a second layer probably wouldn't hurt any. I really don't know. I'm just doing what I think is going to work. Oh yeah, that's nice. I probably should have did it on the back side. Check it out from the back side. Ooh, just came through just a little bit. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and throw another little bit on there. You silly girl.
Why can't we get improv?
Yeah, girl. Yeah. Alright, let's show you what that look like now. Oh yeah, got a little something on there. You see that residue on there? You gotta let it tack up a little bit and use a finger that don't have glue on it. and just wipe it off. Friction creates heat. Heat gets it off. If y'all like videos like this, let me know. Leave a comment. I'll start trying to do some more stuff like this. If this helped you, let me know too. No, dude, I've been having them forever. And the Ryobi really trips me out. Oh, dude, I put it up against Milwaukee the other day. Blew it out the water. He said his battery was dead, but I mean that's what I expect people to say when. No. I'm telling you,
You thought that motherfucker was hitting hard last time, Trey?
yeah. Did he get beat? I don't remember the Ryobi getting beat.
I didn't get beat either.
I don't remember the Ryobi getting
I didn't
beat.
get beat.
All right.
I remember you said, all right, okay. I remember you being like that.
Well, whenever you're ready, we can torsion test them. Matter of fact, look, that's the next video right there.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
Just have,
Just tie them together and zip tie it. Yeah.
I'll be really pissed off if you don't walk me.
He said he pissed off that Ryobi beat us at Milwaukee. I'm telling you, I know it will. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Look, E6000. It's not the best looking, but the crack is sealed. And if you're not happy with the services provided today, you got to pay more than $20.